In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable Twitch drops so your viewers can earn them while watching your stream. It's super simple, so without further ado, let's hop right into it. All right, so first things first, what you need to do is go to Twitch. Obviously, once you do that, you click on the top right on your profile picture, and then you will see drops and rewards. You click on that. It's going to open your inventory of all the drops you've earned, if you ever earned any, but you can ignore that. Go to all campaigns over here, and then you will see all the active campaigns that are happening right now. So how do you actually enable these drops so your viewers can earn them? Well, you'll need to find the game that you're interested in. For example, XDefined has drops right now from June 4th to June 11th, which is actually ending today. But if I want to enable these drops right now, all I have to do is click on this. It's going to expand it. And then I need to connect over here the account that is used to obviously earn the drops. So for example, let's find a game that I don't have enabled. For example, Palia, I click on it. You're going to see connect right here. So you click on connect, you actually connect and sync the account that you need to use. And then once it is done, it will be green like this. And once it says connected, that means you have the drops enabled. And then as soon as you start the stream and as soon as people join the stream, you will have the drops enabled and they can earn them. Depending on the game, the drops might be dropping every hour or so. But for example, for XDefined, you can see right here how to earn the drop. Go to a participating live channel, which is obviously going to be you. And then you can watch for 30 minutes, 1 hour, and then 1 hour and 30 minutes to claim these rewards. So the viewers will need to go to their inventory, like right here, and then they'll need to like claim them in order to actually get them to their account. But that's a whole nother story. For you, all you need to do, like I said, go to all campaigns, link your account, and then that's basically it. Every time you stream that game and the drops are on, you will have them enabled. And that's basically it. It's super simple. It helps you a lot because a lot of new viewers come in to earn those drops, and then you can get that engagement and everything else. If you guys did like this video, make sure to drop the like. It would mean the world to me. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in description below. Make sure to check my other guys right over here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.